guys, another package has arrived today. Time to unbox it for you guys. It's a pair of two Hype smart watches, red and blue. Here to get. I wonder if you can actually pair two watches together. I'm just curious. Let me know if you guys can. I believe you can, honestly. Oh yeah, I'm like a little. Honestly, I'm really good. I'm super skilled at my basketball moves, but guess what? I'm not really good at throwing the ball. I'm not really good at throwing it in the hoop. Yeah, because I'm new to it. Because I practice, and I thought I was doing it right. Who needs scissors when I can rip the shit through? Oh, here they are. These are the two watches I've seen in the picture. Let's put this one back in. What happened to the other one? Okay, I swear I heard something, but I don't know. Can't get my dick in my pen. Hold on, let's put this one. Let's see where the other one's wrist is. I think it got lost. Pretty sure. Here they are. Two pairs of Hype smartwatches right here. Let's turn this one on. Any juice? Nope. What about the other one? Seems like they're on dead. Well, they seem fast asleep. Got punched into fucking sleep mode. I don't know. Oh, my bad for my cursing though, but yeah. That's just how it is. Yeah. Put this away. Did I wipe this one down? Now time to wipe down the blue one. Hype smartwatch. Okay. I wonder if there's more Hype smartwatches. At least these two work. Let's go ahead and go get the chargers for them. Okay, guys. Alright. Both of them are paired on the chargers separately. Now we'll have to see if any... Wait, what is it again? To see if there's any life on the screens. I hope so. Otherwise, if there's no life, I might be sad and cry. Okay. Now we wait. And wait. And wait. Hello? Come on. Hello? You awake yet? Come on. It's time for you to go to school. Oh, this thing is asleep. These things are dead. They said the seller mentioned that these watches actually work perfectly. Also, the Vortex Matrix. The unboxing, I deleted it because, honestly, it's just... I might throw away the old one. I might say the battery doesn't work. It might be either the phone or... there's also one more on eBay, so I might just, I'll be right back. I gotta go use the bathroom. Alright, guys, I'm back. I also had to go eat because these watches... I came back after eating, and all I see is still no light from these watches. So I guess I'll give you an update on the watches. So that's basically it for today. I hope you enjoyed. It was nothing special about it. It's just an unboxing, but colors are nice as well. Red and blue brothers. Yeah, pretty much. That's pretty much it. Make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe. Goodbye.